Me too. Say hi. Say hi, Raven. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah, Moose is a ginger. We'll get him in a little bit. Pretty soon they'll be able to play again. See if you can post it in the comments. I don't want to, yeah, I don't know if there's a way to post a picture in a comment. That would be the way to do it. Yeah, see if comment on one of our videos if that might be an option. I'm not really sure. Yeah, that's awesome. You're getting a dog. I'm excited. Dogs are the best. Right, Raven? Yeah, dogs are the best. Yeah. Good girl. What do you think? You ready to go get some water? Oh, Instagram. Yeah, that's the way to do it. We have Instagram. It's Moosey and Raven. Moose with a Y. Moosey and Raven. You can find us. I do more YouTube, but we definitely post some stuff on Instagram. It's more or less the same. She spilled her water. I had a blind dog when I was younger. A blind golden retriever. He was a good boy. He didn't need to see. His smell was so good that he could get around perfectly. Smell and hear everything. They love doing that when they get wet. They have to share. No, just YouTube and Instagram. That's our main stuff. Well, a lot of times when somebody loses one sense, it heightens their other senses. You hear about how amazing blind musicians are a lot of times because they have to rely more on their ears. Yeah, Gojo, leave it in a comment on one of our videos. That way I won't lose anything. It'll get saved. Yeah, come back. I'm going to take a break with Raven here in a couple minutes, and then around 6:30, I'll come back out with Moose. And hopefully next week they can start playing again together. They like to play rough, so that's why we're separating them, because Moose has that limp going on right now, and we want his paw to heal up.